Hi, welcome to ENS. That's a continuation of a reception menu videos. So here in last video we have discussed inquiry book. Now the phone call log. If any phone call received or made any call for any kind of correspondence from the reception, that will be recorded in this section. So phone call log create, date, today's date, phone number. You can just add any random number. Description, inquiry response, just next follow update is 11, call duration 2 minutes, name, so call was regarding the admission inquiry and been sorted out. You can add whatever you want. The call type was incoming and outgoing, so that was outgoing. Save and close, that will be added here. You can view the from here. You can print the report for your office record. You can edit or delete the record from here. If you that was outgoing, one is for incoming, so that is today. Phone, description, college inspection, and that is tomorrow. Call duration 4 minutes. Name ABCEFD. Note, college inspection notification call for confirmation of the timings, and that was incoming call. Save and close. So that's incoming call. From here you can same edit, delete, or view from here, and you can print it for your admin record or for the admin for the management. So that's how we are creating the phone call log. Thank you very much for watching.